Welcome to our channel Ahlawat English Classes. This is Satish Kumar Ahlawat. Today we are going to discuss a new poem, Fire and Ice. This is also written by Robert Frost. Some say the world will end in fire, and some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. This is complete poem. Now we take this one line by first line. Some say the world will end in fire. In this poem, poet describes a conversation on the topic how the world will end. There is two views in this answer. One favors the ending of world in fire, and some say it will end in ice. There are two opinions about the ending of world. Some say the world will end in fire, and some say in ice. Here, fire means the destructive desires, and ice means hatred. Ice means hatred. From what I have tasted of desire means, if you want to my taste, what I want. Tasted of desire means wish of poet. Wish of a poet. I hold with those. Here in this line, I is used for the poet. I hold with those who favor fire. Poet is agree with those person who favor the opinion the world will end in fire. Here hold means agree. In next line, but if it had to perish twice. In this line, it is used for word. If word had to destroy two times, perish means destroy, twice means two times. I think I know enough of hate. Poet thought that he know sufficient about the hatred between men and men to say that for destruction ice. Here he tell us about hatred. It can be said as destruction ice. mean hatred means destruction ice is also great. ये भी great है and would suffice और पर्याप्त होती है. So I think you will be able to understand the whole poem. If you find it difficult, try to listen the video once again and try to understand it completely. Now we are going to the question answer of the stanza. Stanza 1, you read this simple way. Some say the world will end in fire, and some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. I think you understand these four lines. Now question 1 is name the poem, and the words here fire and ice show you the belong to a poem fire and ice. So the name of the poem is fire and ice. What is the fire is symbol of? Symbolic poem is this one, or fire and ice is a symbol for fire is a symbol of destructive desires, and ice is symbol of hatred. What is ice a symbol of? Ice is a symbol of destructive ice. What does poet hold with those who favor fire? Why? Because this is his taste, his wish. He went with those people who favor fire. What is the rhyme scheme of this stanza? In our previous video I told you how we find the rhyme scheme of a stanza or a poem. Here also again the last word of first line is fire, and third line desire, and again fourth line fire. These are same rhyme schemes, but in second line it is ice. So first line's last word denoted by a, and second line last word is denoted by b. Third line rhymes with a, fourth line also a. In this way the rhyme scheme of this stanza is a b a b, and rhyming words are fire, desire, again fire, and ice. So now the second stanza. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Question 1 is name the poet, and here words ice, suffice, twice rhymes with each other, hate. Such type of words help us to find out the name of the poem fire and ice, and the name of the poet is Robert Frost. What does it indicate here? In very first line of this stanza, but if it had to perish twice, here it represents the word. It represents the word. It indicates here for the word. Why does the poet compare the heat to ice? Why does the poet compare heat to ice? Because the answer in given in third line, heat is described as destruction ice. Destruction ice. He compared the heat to ice because men to men had hated, but it is cold just like ice. It is not haughty as enemies are there. So the poet here compare the heat to ice. What is ice a symbol of? Again, ice is a symbol of hatred, hate. What is the rhyme scheme of the stanza? Again, rhyme scheme of stanza: twice a, hate b, ice a, great b, and suffice a. So rhyme scheme of the stanza is a b a b a. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, share and like our channel to get the latest video information at your doorsteps. Thank you once again.